Let us go with the 14th problem here. Right, find the least number which when divided by 9, 12, 16 and 20 leaves 3 as the remainder in each cases. Right, let us find out first LCM. Right, so once you find the LCM of these numbers, that is 9, 12, 16 and 20, so which that number is going to divisible completely by 9, 12, 16, 20. But we are supposed to find the number when you divide that leaves 3 as the remainder. Let us check out here. So find the LCM first. LCM of this, that is 9, 12, 16 and 20. Let us start with the 2. Right, 9 I can divide, right? 2 6 2 8 right, 2 to 10 right. Again let me go with the 2. 9 I'll keep as it is. 2 3s 2 4s 2 5s right. Again I'll go with 3. 3 3s 1 4 and 5 right. Further division is not possible, right? What I can do now is, see, I'll list out here, that is going to be 2 into 2 into 3, right, into 3 into 4 into 5. Now multiply it here. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, so 5 4s are 20, right. 9 4s are 36 into 20. Now multiply this. 36 2s are 72, so 720 we got the answer, that is LCM. Now if you take 720 and if you try to divide by 9, it is completely divisible from 12 also, from 16 also and from 20 also. But the question is, it should leave 3 as a remainder. So what you need to do, so 720 add 3 to 8, so this will become 723. When you try to divide this 723 by 9, 12, 16 or 20, it always leaves the remainder 3. Right, option A is the right one.